But thanks, some Pennsylvania lawmakers are looking to crack down on indoor smoking and vaping in public places. A group of House Democrats say workers at casinos, private clubs, and other venues should not be forced to choose between their paycheck or clean air.
Erie News Now state capitol correspondent Brendan Scanlon has details on this legislation, which looks to expand the state's Clean Indoor Act in Pennsylvania.
15 years ago, Pennsylvania banned smoking inside public buildings like hotels and restaurants with the Clean Indoor Air Act. However, there are a few exceptions.
When they walk into a casino in Pennsylvania, they're hit with that overwhelming stench.
Casino worker Michael Dene says employees at casinos, private clubs, and some bars are exposed to health risks because of loopholes in the Clean Indoor Air Act.
It's every single day. You know, every single day we go through this.
He says encouraging outdoor smoking areas at casinos is healthier, and it's been done before.
When it came time to smoke, they would step outside, and then when they were done, they would step back inside. It's not that difficult.
After temporarily closing their doors in 2020, Pennsylvania casinos were able to reopen with universal masking and no smoking. But the COVID-era policy did not linger.
When they reintroduced it after COVID, that was the last straw.
House Health Committee Chairman Dan Frankel is looking to put out the smoke and vapor for workers like Dene by creating safe environments with House Bill 1657.
Are safe environments for not only patrons, but most importantly, for employees who need these good jobs.
Frankel says the bill has three goals: eliminate loopholes that leave workers exposed to secondhand smoke, expand the law to cover e-cigarettes to fight increases in vaping-related illnesses, and give localities the ability to enact smoke-free ordinances that are more protective than state law.
Why should somebody have to risk their health in order to maintain and keep a job like that?
Reporting in Harrisburg, Brendan Scanlon, Erie News Now.
And one concern with the legislation is that it could have a big impact on cigar bars and lounges.
Democrats say, though, in order to have bipartisan support, they may have to make some changes before the language is finalized and then voted on.